Oceanus Brass has crafted a lantern for the discerning traveler, the Porthole Lantern. Born from seafaring tradition, the Porthole Lantern elevates lighting to a new standard of craftsmanship and character. Inspired by the robust brass portholes that once braved stormy seas aboard 19th century clipper vessels, the Porthole Lantern is sealed with brass frames and stainless steel hardware, mirroring the seaworthy design and functionality of these classic ship fixtures. Machined from a block of solid brass, the Porthole Lantern is built to withstand the most unforgiving conditions. Precision-cut threads paired with rubber gaskets ensure a leak-proof, waterproof seal, keeping the inner workings protected and always ready for action. At the heart of the Porthole Lantern is a reinforced spark mechanism for rotation of flint and easily replaceable wicks that ensure the reliability you expect from a tool of this caliber. Be it reading a map through a stormy night or enjoying a peaceful evening under the stars, the Porthole Lantern delivers light with unmatched elegance. The Oceanus Brass signature bow shackle makes its long-awaited return with the Porthole Lantern, seamlessly blending function with the iconic design that has become a hallmark of our brand. Securing the Porthole Lantern to your gear is not just simple, it's an act of tradition. Whether you're a sailor, an outdoorsman, or someone who appreciates quality, we believe you'll love the Porthole Lantern as much as we do. With the overwhelming success of our previous campaigns, we're once again setting sail to bring another dream to life. But we can't do it without you. Join us in this adventure and pledge for your Porthole Lantern today. Together, we'll light the way.